The virtue of reading Surah Al-Kahf on the Friday. Rasool-Allah Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam said, whoever reads Surah Al-Kahf on the day of Friday will have a light that will shine from him from one Friday to the next Friday. Al-Haakim, Sahih. Rasool-Allah Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam said, whoever reads Surah Al-Kahf on the day of Friday, a light will shine for him from under his feet to the clouds of the sky, which will shine for him on the day of Qayamah, and his sins between the two Fridays will be forgiven for him. Al-Targheeb Al-Targheeb, Hasan. Rasool-Allah Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam said, whoever reads Surah Al-Kahf on the night of Friday, means the night between the Thursday and Friday, will have a light that will stretch between him and the baitullah. Sahih al-Jamee.